Hey guys, welcome back again to another juicing video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new here, I say welcome to you. If you're an old subscriber, I say thank you for supporting this channel. Today we're just going to juice pomegranates. We all know pomegranates are high in antioxidants and we want to mix it with some tart apple, okay? And the reason why I chose the tart apple is because I do not want this juice to be sweet. You can choose any type of apples you want, all right? So let's get juicing. So guys, our drink is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Subscribe if you have not, like, share the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.